if you need help, that's a first part there. But again, with the edge of this, finding that edge, and then just moving it in a bit to set some reflected light, and you can start to see how to shade this across there. And just using it as a guide makes it pretty easy. You don't have to use a straight edge, but it's kind of nice. Find this part. And again, any edges that you find, you can now blend in to the shape and create that shadow. This part here, nice and straight. Drop it down. Even go across from it. Butt up against it this way. So this, since it's black with the dark values, it's going to be nice and rich coming in there. And just find those edges again. And depending on the background of the object, it might be dark behind it, so it might be a little bit lighter in the edges here. There's that bevel. Build that part up. Again, you're just kind of sketching that piece up there. So there it's kind of giving a little more value.